Most car gadgets used to be simple upgrades, nothing too exciting, nothing that really changed the experience. But those days are long gone. Today, there are devices that can completely transform how you drive, travel, and even how your car feels. From subtle upgrades to surprisingly powerful tools, the options have evolved quickly. So instead of chasing every trend, the better move is focusing on what actually improves your experience. Let's go through 12 of the best ones, in no particular order. Backing up a car still feels risky for a lot of drivers, especially in tight spaces, at night, or when visibility isn't great. One small mistake can lead to scratches, bumps, or worse, and constantly relying on mirrors alone doesn't always give the full picture in most cases. That's where this solar-powered wireless backup camera comes in. You do not have to worry about complicated wiring or drilling into your car. This setup mounts easily and runs on solar energy, keeping it powered with minimal effort. It delivers a clear 1080p view directly to your display, often with night vision support, so you can see what's behind you in real time. Some models also offer wide-angle viewing while you're on the go, making the whole process seamless. So instead of guessing or second-guessing, you get a clear, confident view every time you reverse, making parking safer, faster, and far less stressful. Modern driving isn't just about getting from one place to another, it's also about staying connected. But the problem is, most cars aren't designed for the number of devices we use every day. That's why a retractable multi-port car charger makes such a difference. No more loose wires cluttering your dashboard or reaching across seats to find the right charger. It's built to simplify your setup with integrated cables that extend only when needed and disappear just as easily when you're done. Beyond the convenience, many of these chargers support fast charging across multiple devices at once, so phones, tablets, and even passengers' devices stay powered without compromise. Some also include subtle lighting or display indicators that add both function and a modern touch. It's a small upgrade, but one that removes daily frustration and keeps your driving space clean, organized, and ready for anything. If you regularly travel with a dog, you've probably experienced the frustration firsthand. Regular back seats aren't built for pets. Dogs can easily slip off seats, lose their balance during turns or sudden stops, get anxious or restless, and end up creating distractions that take your focus away from the road. And honestly, nobody enjoys a stressed-out pet or a chaotic ride. This dog car seat extender solves that problem completely. It creates a wider, more stable surface across the back seat, giving your pet a secure space to sit or lie down comfortably. Most versions are built with waterproof materials and reinforced stitching, so they can handle movement, spills, and regular use without wear. Some designs also include side flaps or mesh windows, allowing your pet to stay secure while still feeling connected to you. That balance of safety and comfort makes a noticeable difference. The result is a more controlled ride, fewer distractions while driving, and a space that works for both you and your furry friend. A really useful upgrade, I must say. I'm really excited to announce that I will be doing a $100 Amazon gift card giveaway to celebrate when this channel reaches 1,000 subscribers. No action is required to enter. I'll simply pick one lucky winner at random once we hit the milestone. If you want to follow along and be part of the journey, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the announcement. From multi-port car charging experiences, we already know cables are one of those small things that slowly become a big annoyance. Every time you get into the car, plugging in your phone can feel a tad frustrating, especially when all you really want is for your apps, maps, and music to just work instantly. This wireless CarPlay and Android Auto adapter removes that friction entirely. Once it's set up, your phone connects automatically as soon as you start the car. No cords, no extra steps. Your navigation, calls, messages, and media all sync seamlessly to your dashboard, just like a built-in system. The experience feels smoother, more modern, and less distracting, since you're not reaching for cables or dealing with connection issues. Many adapters are compact enough to stay hidden, keeping your setup clean while quietly doing their job in the background. It's one of those upgrades that doesn't just add convenience, it changes the way your car integrates with your daily routine. We've all had that moment on a scorching hot day. You start the car, crank up the AC, but it still takes forever for the entire cabin to cool down properly. The back seats stay warm, airflow feels uneven, and the ride is simply less comfortable than it should be. This compact USB vent booster fan changes that experience quickly and effectively. It clips directly onto any air vent and actively pushes and circulates the cool air further and faster throughout the whole car. With adjustable 360-degree rotation, multiple speed settings, and a small footprint, it's easy to position exactly where you need it most. Best of all, there's no permanent installation or modification required. Just plug it into any USB port and you're good to go. On long drives or during extreme weather, the improved airflow makes a noticeable difference, helping the cabin reach a comfortable temperature much quicker and more evenly. It works alongside your car's built-in system rather than replacing it, giving you better control over your comfort no matter the conditions outside. Once the cabin feels more comfortable, the next thing you notice is how much the interior environment affects the overall driving experience. A car can be perfectly functional but still feel a bit plain, especially at night. Enter the LED cup holder ambient lights. These LED cup holder lights are a small upgrade, but they instantly change the mood inside the car. They sit neatly inside the cup holder and activate through vibration or motion, lighting up as soon as the car is in use. Most versions come with multiple color options and subtle lighting effects like breathing patterns or steady glows, allowing you to match your style or create a more relaxing atmosphere while driving. They're battery-powered and easy to install, so there's no wiring or setup required. And once they're in place, they quietly add a bit of personality every time you start the car, especially during night drives. Before moving into the more comfort and style side of things, there's one area most drivers overlook until it becomes a problem: tire pressure. It's easy to ignore, but driving with incorrect tire pressure can affect handling, fuel efficiency, and overall safety. The issue is, traditional methods aren't always accurate or convenient, especially when you just want a quick and reliable reading. A digital tire pressure gauge makes that process much more precise. With a clear digital display, you can get an accurate reading in seconds, without guessing or relying on worn-out manual tools. Many models are compact, portable, and built to work in different conditions, including extreme temperatures. Some versions even include backlit screens for low-light use, making it easier to check your tires at any time of day. It's one of those small checks that quietly supports a smoother and safer drive, especially when done regularly. Picture this: you're on the side of the road at night. Need to check under the hood, change a tire, or find something that rolled under a seat, and your regular flashlight just isn't cutting it because you need both hands free. This magnetic LED work light solves that exact problem and becomes an absolute lifesaver. It delivers powerful, bright illumination with up to 2,400 lumens in some models. Features a strong magnetic base that securely attaches to any metal surface for true hands-free usage, and offers full 360-degree rotation plus multiple brightness levels and even red emergency lighting modes. It's rechargeable, durable enough for rough use, and stays stored neatly in your trunk or glove box until the moment you need it. Whether you're doing roadside repairs, working in a dark garage, or just searching for dropped items at night, this tool turns a frustrating situation into something manageable and safe. Now that we've covered situations where being prepared matters, the focus shifts to something a bit different: making better use of the time you already spend in your car. Whether you're parked during a break, working remotely, or just trying to handle something quickly, using a laptop or even eating inside your car can feel awkward without a proper surface. A steering wheel desk changes that setup. It attaches securely to your steering wheel and creates a stable, flat surface you can actually use. Many designs are adjustable and foldable, so they can be stored easily when not in use without taking up space in your car. It's especially useful for light work, quick typing, or even organizing notes on the go. The key is flexibility, turning a part of your car that normally goes unused into something functional when you need it. Instead of balancing things awkwardly or improvising, you have a dedicated space that adapts to what you're doing at that moment. By now, we've gone beyond basic functionality and are stepping into upgrades that genuinely enhance the overall feeling of driving. This AI dashboard companion adds real personality and interactivity to your car's interior. It sits neatly on the dashboard and responds in real time to driving conditions, showing useful information like speed, temperature, or navigation updates while reacting with fun animations and expressions. Instead of staring at a plain, static dashboard, your car suddenly feels alive, modern, and engaging. It can even offer gentle reminders or light entertainment during longer drives. Once you get used to having this little companion, returning to a completely silent and ordinary dashboard feels strange. Once you start upgrading the inside of your car, the next thing that naturally comes to mind is cleanliness. This compact car vacuum is one of those tools you don't think about until you actually need it. It's small enough to keep in your car, but powerful enough to deal with crumbs, dust, and debris that usually settle into tight spaces. Instead of struggling with bulky equipment or ignoring the mess, you can quickly clean up on the go, whether it's after a long drive, a quick meal, or just everyday buildup. What makes it even better is how easy it is to use and store. No setup stress, no heavy lifting, just grab it, clean up, and keep your car interior looking fresh. Now let's look at something that combines convenience with everyday practicality. This smart wireless charging mount does two things at once. It holds your phone securely and keeps it charging while you drive. Instead of dealing with cables or worrying about your battery dropping mid-journey, you just place your phone in the mount and let it handle the rest. It keeps your phone in view for navigation while also keeping it powered throughout the ride. It's simple, but that's exactly what makes it useful. One of those upgrades that quietly makes every trip smoother without you having to think about it. So those were some of the newest and most practical car gadgets you can actually add to your setup right now. Each one brings a small upgrade on its own, but together they completely change how your car feels and functions. If you found something useful here, you know what to do. Explore, upgrade, make your drive a lot better. Let me know in the comments, which of these 12 gadgets are you most excited to try first? Or do you already own one of them? I read every comment and love hearing your experiences. And of course, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss new videos. Plus the $100 Amazon gift card giveaway when we reach 1,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.